welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nicola Ashley. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So today is just gonna be an unboxing video. I got this PR box from Kiss Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna show you what's in the box. So as soon as you open it, it comes like this. And it has like all the little products right here. So on these papers, it's just saying like everything that's inside of the box. It shows you all the products from front to back. I'm gonna pull the first thing out, which is this magnetic eyeliner. It's an easy liquid application liquid eyeliner. So I guess you just do the eyeliner and then you just attach the lashes with it. Next thing is this Kiss Lash Couture Matte Black lashes. They are beautiful, and I'm gonna be putting on lashes, like one pair of lashes that's inside of this collection, and maybe some press-on nails that's also in this collection. So I don't know which ones yet. This next one is My Lash But Better lashes. Is in the style So Real. They actually look like very natural lashes. Like they have a wearable superfine band, which is different. And then there's another style in here, Blessed. Alright, so next that's in the box is the Kiss Impress Press-On Manicure Nails. Check those out. The pressies. So those are in a short length, and it doesn't say like which style this is. Yeah, it doesn't say which style. It's just like a dark blue with glitter. So the next Impress, oh, this is Impress Color. So there's a difference between these two. So it's an Impress Color, and there's just the regular Impress nails. So this one is the Impress Color, and it's like a little teal. It's giving teal. And that's how this one looks. And there's one more set of nails that these are fire, okay? These look so pretty. These are the tie-dyed Vogue-ish fantasy nails. So these have, I think it's just a few black, tie-dye, and gold glitter nails. Get into it, okay? They are so pretty. So the last two things that's in here is the lash glue liner. So they sent two of them. They have one clear and one black. You know, they could both do the same thing. It's just lash glue. It's just one black and one clear. So I'm gonna pick some lashes to put on. I think I'm gonna put on these matte black lashes and just use this lash glue to put them on. And I think I'm going to put these press-on nails on to see how these are. I'm excited for these lashes though. These lashes are gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. So I have my little handy dandy mirror right here. I'm gonna open this box up and take the lash glue out. And it's super sleek. It's a felt tip, I think. Yeah, I think it's a felt tip liner. So that's how it looks. Out of the box. Out of the box. So I'm gonna take the liner. And it goes on pretty smooth too. So that's good. Oh, that's definitely sticky though. Oh, that is glue. Alright, one lash is on. Make sure that this looks okay. Oh, lash on. Let's put this other lash on. So I would say that this lash glue is definitely a good glue. I'm so used to just putting on glue like on the lash itself and not having to put it on my lash line, but I would say that this makes it a little faster when applying your lashes. This is way faster. The lashes are on, okay? These are gorgeous. So they're a soft and matte finish, and it's a faux mink. Is a part of the faux mink collection. So everything that's in this video, I will definitely link it down below so you guys can go to the website and check it out. So now I'm about to put on these press-on nails. And I believe that it comes with a sticky tab with it. And it comes with glue. And it has extra nails in the back. And I guess you can figure out which nail you have to, well, which nail can fit your nail. Alright, so I'm going to use the sticky tabs to put them on. Okay, so most of them stuck to the inside of the package. So if I can, I will try to do one hand, I guess. There you have it. They are so cute. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I will have everything linked down below in the description bar for all of the things that are included in this box from Kiss. Thank you to Kiss for sending out this PR package to me, and you know, like always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next time.